Mental health is something many people have been talking about in recent years. In fact, 1 in 5 Americans struggle with it, according to the CDC. When it comes to the impact one's profession can have on their mental health, some feel there is one that often gets left out of the conversation. Andy Ani reports.
Some people are like, oh, you do hair. Yes, I do hair, but I also am a psychiatrist, a therapist, a fashion trendsetter for a lot of my clients.
Hairstylists spend their days doing hair, but also talking with people about their lives. As they build relationships with clients, things can get pretty personal.
As you have 3, 4, 5, 6 people in a day, sometimes you're so happy with your customer because they're pregnant and the next one comes in, their mom is dying and they're so sad.
Clara Trottier, owner of Hair Concepts, tells us there are many layers beyond the ones they cut.
You actually need a lot of education to be able to navigate through both the social skill aspect and the skill level portion of it.
So should there be more resources available to help hair professionals navigate through these sometimes hairy conversations? Kayla Dykma, manager and stylist at Hair Concepts, says yes.
In hair school, I feel it's kind of the basics and the chemistry. I think mental health is such a big thing in this time of our lives right now, especially everything with the pandemic going on, that we just maybe need a little assistance in learning how to cope with some of those things and offering words of advice and comfort.
It's hard not to open yourself up to them, and so in turn they obviously open themselves up to you. So it just becomes a friendship very easily. To go home and tell my husband and vent about this happened and I'm just so sad, and maybe not even sleep at night because you're sad for them.
Melissa Hurt, who's been seeing the same stylist for 8 years, tells us it's all about being comfortable.
You wouldn't necessarily go to maybe your mechanic and talk about the same things that you talk about with your hairstylist.
Well, that depends on who your mechanic is, I guess. No, just kidding. No, I do think it's a different relationship because you're spending a significant amount of time with them and then over the course of years. So yeah, it's definitely a relationship that's unique.
Because we're on such a personal level too.
I think it's when you trust someone, you just have to keep coming back.
Stylists at the salon say that while it can at times be challenging, they love what they do.
I have to say, this job is so definitely rewarding that the good days definitely outweigh the bad days.
For KX News, I'm Andy Ani.
We did reach out to a local beauty school to see if they had plans to incorporate more mental health training into their curriculum, and they declined our request for an interview.